raptor.
Oh shit, it's only one of my dudes.
Anymore, it's not. Alright, so now we need to get these walls built. I got the
Oh yeah,
door on the gate.
I was just finishing up these arrows. Okay. Sorry. Yo. I just dropped you 11 tranquilizer arrows, dude. You only need 1 to 3 for most raptors.
How do you use them?
You drag them onto the bow and you can swap. Okay, so you put the bow into your bar and then you drag onto the bow in the bar the kind of arrow you want. But yeah, yo, you like shoot like one arrow and wait like a second or two if you're not certain and if it's really weak, so you don't overdo it. But like most of the time, you'll shoot it and it'll just instant drop. Like usually on like the second or third arrow, whatever you're shooting will instant drop. Nice, I got more chitin. There's that Bronto egg, man. I gotta figure out, yo. Oh my god, in 4 minutes I was gonna automatically restart. I gotta postpone this. Yo, in 4 hours. Nice, dude, that's great news. Yo, in 4 hours I'm gonna have another update that'll probably pop up.
Oh yeah, I got the same thing.
Yeah,
I postponed it for 4 hours.
Yeah, me too. I always do. Like, why is that even a thing? Like, get out of my face.
Yeah, it should automatically just postpone it. Because do you wish to postpone? Yes, 4 fucking hours or however many I can get.
Yeah, and like it doesn't even pop up for me. I usually catch it by surprise when I alt tab, and I don't alt tab that often. Sometimes, sometimes I almost miss it. And I'm like, fuck.
Yeah,
I just restarted for no
reason. Usually it should alt tab me out of my game. Like it usually does, like it just did. But sometimes it doesn't.
The name Brontosaurus is so big on the egg, it actually doesn't show completely the Brontosaurus word. Eggs don't hatch yet? Oh shit. Yo, this guy's house was completely smashed after taking a Bronto egg.
Nice. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it was,
Alright. We need to get Metal Looker behind this gate, like right behind this so it's not extremely visible.
Uh-huh. I think maybe if we keep the Bronto egg just on a body of a raptor or something for the entire duration, maybe it'll hatch. Who knows? Maybe it's that simple. What were you saying, though?
We need to get this metal looker behind here so it's not extremely visible.
Oh yeah. Dude, you oh yeah. You know you could have just whistled at him. That's all good. That works even better because now you perfectly placed it. Oh yeah, fuck, yo, I think we need to get resources. I was just emptying resources from this guy and I remembered the egg. But I need to throw more shit in the stash. I have all kinds of crap from the hunt that I forgot to put.
Back, need some gamer fuel.
Alright, bro.
Alright, I'm back. You hear me? Hello? Hello? You hear me? Hello? Oh, you see that? There's a raptor.
Yo.
Hey, what's up?
Just getting the pizza. Okay. So you're out, right? You're not at the base.
I'm here.
Okay.
There's a raptor across the pond.
Is that yours?
Yeah, dinosaurs are coming in here now. That's weird.
Yeah, yo.
I just killed
Raptor, is that you?
Dildo.
Yeah, that is you. Okay. Loud as fuck shit. I just heard like a message on Facebook and I nearly went deaf. Why is that so loud? Lower that. What the fuck?
Alright, we need to go collect wood so I can start making these walls.
I agree, yeah. Walls are definitely a high priority right now.
Look at this shit. Someone's like made a fucking fort way the fuck up there on some pillars. That's badass.
Where?
Behind us. Like over here.
Hold on, my dude is shitting. Talking about the thatch one?
Oh, you're going the wrong way. I'm behind you. Yeah, this one over here. It's on pillars. It's like a mid-air fucking fort. It's badass.
Oh yeah, yo. That is badass. And you know what? That's fucking amazing.
Or if they could like, oh no, nothing could. I don't even think anything can get up there, could they? Like if they brought a trike up here and just rammed down those pillars, I wonder if it would make the whole thing just come crashing
No,
down.
it wouldn't. I'm pretty sure it would just stay afloat. That's physics.
Probably.
Yo, there's a ladder. Yeah, there's a ladder. I don't even know how to climb a ladder though. Climb a ladder, not climb. Press E, and then you can just walk on it. Oh, upstairs. They have a smithy and shit. Can we use this? I think we can. There's a smithy right here.
Oh, nice. We could use that shit.
Yeah, we can. It's just out on the open.
Do we have? Are we able to make?
Made by Tintin. Owner Tintin. I think this is a one-man mission that just went really far. I think this was here and got wrecked, and this guy abandoned the server, so now his shit is just here.
He has nothing in his storage.
Yeah. Like, I think there was a guy that used to live here, and then he quit after his shit got destroyed, because it probably took him so long to build this by himself. Because this wasn't here yesterday. And you know what? That's amazing. We can just come here to use the tools.
Yeah. For now.
Absolutely, yeah. Use the neighbor's tools. Why not?
Alright, so
Some people are saying that they haven't implemented hatching Broncos yet. But I don't know if they just added it, because they have like 5 patches a day, right? Like, what the fuck?
alright. About to be dark time.
I'm kinda just waiting for this pizza to cool down so I can eat it, and I can actually have my head together. So
Yeah, I'm
stoned,
eating right
dude.
now myself.
Yeah, it's nice to just chill sometimes. We got a lot of work done already, and we're gonna get a lot more done. I'm really glad we finally have some raptors. Oh my god. We were really struggling. Yo.
Do you smoke weed?
No, we had this conversation last night, but I guess we were both really high.
Is it legal up there?
It's decriminalized, and you can get it in a lot of legal ways.
Oh man.
But like, if you're clearly a dealer, you'll definitely be charged as a criminal, not just like a decriminalized civil thing. It's basically a ticket. They give you a ticket, like anywhere between $200 to $300 usually.
It's a lot better than jail time.
Yeah, way better, dude. And that's only if you're like a smoker. If you're a criminal, you can go to jail for years. Depends how bad you are. That's way better than the United States up in Canada. Way better, dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Well,
This shit's
slowly
clean
but
up.
surely, it's being legalized everywhere.
Oh yeah, you guys have it actually fully legal in like Washington and like Cali. That's pretty cool. Yo, give me 1 second. I'll be right back.